Barbara J.R. So Gone Challenge. Had to get out the phone, back to the books. I said, could we go on? She say I do it so wrong. Call me 80 times if I decide not to go home. She just wanna fuck, then fall asleep to slow songs. Looking so good, got all my old hoes so gone. Now I'm waving at them. So long, perform in the bedroom, put a live show on. Professional distance in my pants, call it prolong. Got her running from me, she get a Usain Bolt on. Ha! Then I eat her like a snow cone. Eat it till she leak enough juices for me to choke on. Celebration dance, I'm getting my heel toe on. I'm just kicking shit, watch me get my tie boat on. Man, I'm killing this shit. I said, hold on. I'm too lit, I'm the one she wanna blow on. Them other girls fake, I mean flake, bitches snow grown. Fuck them gold diggers, I can't afford to have my dough gone. I used to smoke strong, get in my zone with them pounds. When I'm in, I go long, that's Antonio Brown. Huh? Get you a lady that's sweet and ruthless. Then build an empire, just don't be like Lucius. Nah, just vibe, let this verse make you move. Cause when you lose your girl, that's the worst way to lose. Shit ain't how you confused, you'll be hurt playing cool. Can't sleep like the night before the first day of school. Listen, just fall back, sometimes the shit better for you. Cause a bitch can have more than you and still be jealous of you. Jealous of the way my girl get checks with me. Every time I get fresh, she get fresh with me. My lady love take me higher than any medication. She the old way, give me a bunch of dedication. She give me better patience. She never left me waiting. Every time I got lost, she paid bond, no hesitation. I don't deserve her, so I'll never desert her. Whipped cream on top of her body, I'm just trying to desert her. Other girls don't try me now, try me later. Cause when it come to me, that girl turn into Ali Layla. Huh? Keep me afloat, help me levitate and never play. We be taking vacations, you hating hoes that never take. Always shopping, ain't no telling what I'ma order. That ass just looks so much better in Bahama waters. I mean that ass so fat, about to eat the thong. Sexy ass brown skin, so I call her knee alone. Pretty soon my right knee, I'ma get down and knee alone. Just wanna say that I love you, thank you for being strong. Cause my mama ain't love me and my daddy deceased. She always tell me I'm crazy cause I'm from the streets. Seen a lot of bodies turn to vegetables, homie. You ever seen the 223 with the testicles on it? They always complain about how hard it is in their birthplace. You ain't felt no pain till you get robbed on your birthday. I ain't a killer, but Lord knows they gon' push me. I've been watching Bloodline, might stick a pistol in the pussy and blow off the clip. Just might go off and shit. So precise with the aim, bitch, your mohawk is split. I squirt leg, get murked dead, wrong with me and I hurt legs. I was on purple buzz, look like one of Lil Uzi Vert dreads. Ever seen a young nigga in the kitchen cooking dope and ate one? Pure fire, one sniff, booger smoking. Been peeping a lot of things I been should've noticed. A lot of people wearing sweet jackets, they so sugar coated. They would never be just be 3-6. I ain't never been on that fake beef creep shit. Survive with the strong, never play me weak, bitch. I feel like Tupac and the Jay-Z remix. All I need in this life is sin. It's me and my girlfriend. I feel like my girlfriend is realer than a lot of you niggas. You sloppy little niggas. Police ass boy, do you copy little nigga? She asked me what I want. I ain't even stressing. Told her I got your presence, that's already your blessing. Told her give me something that she ain't used to me guessing. That girl went and booked me a studio session. This shit, I'm on the way, what? God, so gone, child.